So, hey everyone, today we're facing off two popular mirrorless cameras, the Canon EOS R8 and the Nikon Z50. So let's see which one comes out on top. Now first up, image quality. So the R8 boasts a high-resolution 24MP sensor and Canon's excellent image processing, resulting in sharp, detailed images with vibrant colors. Now, the Z50 also delivers impressive image quality with its 20.9MP sensor, known for its good dynamic range and accurate colors. Now, video is a key factor. The R8 excels in video with 4K 60p capabilities and impressive autofocus performance. Now, on the other hand, the Z50 also shoots 4K video, but with some limitations in frame rate and autofocus compared to the R8. Now, let's talk about the autofocus. Now, both cameras feature an advanced autofocus system with excellent subject tracking. But the R8's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is generally considered to be faster and more responsive, especially for video. Now, let's talk about ergonomics and handling. The R8 often gets praised for its comfortable grip and intuitive controls. Now, the Z50 is also well designed and easy to use, but may feel slightly smaller for some users. Now, the R8 and Z50 both offer excellent value in their respective categories, but they cater to slightly different needs. Now, the R8 might be a better choice for videographers and those who prioritize advanced autofocus and high-resolution stills. Now, the Z50 with its more compact size and competitive price could be a better fit for enthusiasts and those who prioritize portability. So, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful comparison reviews.